Welcome to EDU 652 Instructional Design and Delivery. This 6-week course is a very valuable course, a very practical course. You are going to learn about instructional design through examining specific types of activities, such as do type of activities, and you'll see the theory that supports these as well as how to apply them. It's a course that is really going to help you with understanding these concepts. Now, as always, you want to read the course syllabus, the required resources. But anytime when you come in each week, always start the instructor guidance. Now, the instructor guidance in this course is so important because it gives you guidance on how to answer the different questions, to define. So this guidance is just a great overview. For example, discussion 1 guidance. You have discussions, instructions, but this tells you how to do it. It gives you insight. So it does this for the discussions, for the assignments, beyond the directions, the 7x7 rule you have to use for the first. So make sure you take some time to read that. As always, also the resources are so important as well to make sure you read. Now, your introduction is due on the first day, and then you should respond to at least 3 others with this introduction. It's a great way to kind of get to know each other, perhaps greet people from another course that you took together, but it's a very important part. Now, the week 1 discussion 1 talks about a peer-reviewed journaling. It wants you to find a peer-reviewed journal as part of a 3-step assignment. So the first thing, it asks you to find out about wikis. A second step, to review literature, and then the third step is to write a response to the dilemma. So this is the actual discussion. And again, the overview gives some great insight into this. Basically, you're considering whether or not to use a wiki in your area, and you had 3 people with 3 different opinions about whether or not, and you're going to write a response using a scholarly journal. So take your time to look through how to do that. Be a very interesting discussion and a good one to give you good scholarly foundation for different things. Now, in each week, you're going to have a hands-on e-learning tool to kind of learn. Some of you know these already, but do not buy a copy of Adobe Acrobat. There's a free version that will have you do this as well. Also, you can convert to a PDF by using Office. Just click on Save as a PDF. So the discussion is very straightforward. Create a PDF. So any Word document you have, go to Save As, click on Save as PDF, and you're done. You don't have to buy anything for this. Now, the assignment for this week asks you to make a 20-slide PowerPoint. Tells you exactly what should be in it, 2 references, including your textbook. And this is where the overview for this week gives some great pointers on how to create this. So the first week's pretty straightforward. You're going to have a discussion where you address whether or not a wiki is appropriate. You're going to have another discussion where you show that you can create a PDF, and then an assignment that shows you understand this idea of e-learning in that PowerPoint. I look forward to working with you, and I think this is going to be a great course for all of us to participate in.